We're going to pour some minced meat over our potatoes and have a delicious dinner. So to start our recipe, we're going to add 1 chopped onion to a pan with oil. And you can replace the oil with olive oil if you prefer. Now just saute the onion over medium heat. And once the onions are soft, we're going to add the meat. So you want to add 800 grams of ground beef in total. And just stir and saute the meat well until it dries out and the water is fully released. You can add more or less meat if you prefer. I tend to cook for a lot of people, so I'm going to add a bit more meat. Now this is the result of our well-fried meat. So next we're going to season. We're going to start with 300 milliliters of tomato sauce, and then season with 1 tablespoon of salt. The amount of salt is optional, but don't forget it. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now add 1 spoonful of paprika. You can really add the spices of your choice. And once those are added, just stir. After stirring, your meat is ready and it is well seasoned. So we're just going to go ahead and turn off the heat and set that aside. Now in a bowl, we're going to prepare the sauce. So start with 2 eggs and half a teaspoon of black pepper. You want to stir that for at least 1 minute. And you're just simply mixing with a whisk or a fork. Now add 400 milliliters of milk. And just stir everything again to really mix up those ingredients. And now set aside. So in a bowl, let's go ahead and assemble our recipe. We're going to start with a small amount of olive oil. Then add some potato slices. I cut up 3 large potatoes and peeled them. You just add them to the bottom of your bowl. Then top up with your cooked meat. So you want to add the meat right on top of your potatoes. Make sure to spread it out really, really well. And then we're going to add another layer of potatoes on top. Then add more meat again. Just another layer of seasoned minced meat. And then toss well. And that's it. So now just complete your recipe with milk and egg sauce. You want to just pour that right over your meat. And this sauce will be used to cook the potatoes. They're going to cook them and make sure they are nice and moist. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter in the middle to give that recipe a little bit more of a rich flavor. And we're just going to bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After that time, our recipe is ready. It smells so good. So cut a generous piece, have your family over. Wow, my mouth is watering. I am so hungry. Please enjoy.